The USI battery-operated ionization smoke and fire alarm responds quickly to fast-flaming fires to protect you from deadly threats in the home. This alarm runs on a single 9-volt battery, providing for continued usage even in the event of a power outage. A single silence test button on the front of the alarm is present, allowing you to test your alarm, and when an alarm is triggered, a loud 85 decibel chirp will alert you. Installation is quick and simple, with mounting hardware included, equipped with a tamper-resistant locking feature. The USI-1227L comes with a 5-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.universalsecuritystore.com.